we doing, Luke?
We're to this tractor show thing. We don't know where to park, so we had to park somewhere. But my mom's car might get towed, but it's all good.
No, it's not good.
Let's go to the tractor show.
So what is this called?
Forget.
Farm and what?
Farm and I don't know.
Yeah, I think they're cleaning up. But it says the 24th, right? Didn't it say that?
Yeah. Well, when does it close? That's the problem. Yeah, okay. Gotta make sure we don't get...
Some neat old farm equipment, though, right?
Yeah. We can always look through it through the gate, right?
What?
We can always look through it through the gate.
Hey, there's some people walking around. The car's fine. This is all old, ancient farm equipment, isn't it?
Yeah. It's probably used on one of them.
I wonder what that thing does. You believe somebody could tell you what all of these pieces of machinery can do?
Yeah.
The tractors are right up your alley, though, right? Look at this medieval-looking thing. Oh, that's a tiller.
Is it?
Yeah. Man, can you imagine that? That's all cast iron. Yeah, see there? See the blades? Yeah, that's a tiller.
Or a plow.
I feel sorry for the poor horse that had to pull that thing all day long in the heat.
Or it's a plow.
Could be. Could be.
They create fields.
What is this thing? Huh. This is where we're at. Look, point to the sign up there.
Oh, Allegheny.
Engine and Implement Association, and this is where today they're showing off the equipment. What is this beast?
I don't know.
That's cool, whatever that is. That's what that is.
Dad.
You didn't tell me the sign was there.
Dad, I have to hang that up now.
Let's get the screw came out. I can't hang nothing up.
Dad.
It's standing up next to the gate.
Dad.
I went with my head.
I'm gonna get kicked out.
I just walked into the sign. See, but this is what they tell you, not to walk around with your cell phone, because I just knocked a sign over off my head. And why do you think it's funny? I'm the one that hit my head.
Because you're gonna get
This
kicked
kid.
out.
This kid on the loose with a tractor.
Alright, I think we just... Alright, the car isn't towed yet.
What are we going this way?
I guess.
Okay, that's an oldie but a goodie there, huh?
Look, they have stickers.
When do I got to cut it off? TikTok, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
So here you go, kids. I can't go live on TikTok right now. I'm having a problem with my phone provider. So I'm just going to try to make a 10-minute video. That's my son Luke, our narrator. Say hey.
Hello.
Say hey. He just can't stand me. Look at this. It's a John Deere. It's a 1940. I don't know, question mark. It's pretty cool, though. Something different today. We're always looking at cars.
13 horsepower.
How much?
13 horsepower.
That's cool. We're always showing off cars and stuff, but you know what? These are machines that actually feed us. If it wasn't for these machines, our farmers wouldn't have anything. Here's a 51. Read it, Luke.
Farmall M. Silver Hill Farm. Oh, it's used at Silver... You can find this thing at Silver Hill Farm.
Awesome.
Shining house.
What's this thing?
The black one, that's another...
What year is it?
Farmall. This one is a 31.
Which means it's probably a steam engine, right?
It might be.
Runs on steam. Yeah, that's probably pretty cool stuff. How can we tell?
That is some weird tires. Ooh.
Oh yeah,
I
that's
wonder what these things feel like. They drive on the asphalt.
probably rough. That's a 30, huh? 1930?
Yep. Farmall regular. Ooh, we got a John Deere.
Shingle house.
44 John Deere A.
Awesome.
Shingle house. Find it.
I hit the sign so hard with my head that I actually broke my straw, and I can't get the lid back on my soda. There's an old case.
Oh, that
This
must
is well,
feel-
yeah. I think this is one of the old steam ones.
I think that will feel so much from the ride.
Yeah.
Look at that. They got the crank.
What's it called?
Oh, McCormick.
Engineering.
Farmall.
And there's, of course, what I love. I know my son's big on the tractors and the work equipment, but this is my first love.
I like cars too.
Cars and pick. Oh yeah. All right. Well, tell us what we got here, son.
I know it's a Ford.
This is your first TikTok
Model
debut video.
A or a Model T.
It's a Ford, huh?
Yeah. I'm guessing it's a Ford. It might be a Chevy. Because they had... Yeah.
Look at that. Pretty cool inside, huh? It's a
Ford Model A, I'm guessing. And the
oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah.
it's been changed since 1942.
Oh, wow. That's something to be seen. Inspected and approved. That is so cool. January 41 to 42. And you know what? I can't
believe. In it. Let's take it for a ride.
Yeah, okay. Hey, you're right about the Ford, though. It's pretty cool.
Oh, they got rid of the crank start.
And look, it's got a new inspection here for 2022.
So
yeah, it's a cool vehicle, man.
Right. Oh, yeah, brand new battery.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take me around. Now, where are we going? Some more tractors over there. Look, a lot of the stuff is cleaned out already.
Yeah, I don't think they're set up or
Yeah.
they're cleaning up.
They had a church service this morning. Go this way. There's more tractors. Look at this, all this old farm equipment. Huh? Wonder what that used to do. What is that? A Briggs potato grater. July 16th. Hold on. Boggs potato grater. July 1907. These are the patents. It's got 3 patents on it. 1915, 1912. So I guess that's what your potatoes in, huh? So I take it everybody's wrapping it up?
Yeah.
Busy day yesterday?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yeah. Awesome.
It was busy.
Awesome. Very cool.
Come back this fall.
Yeah, definitely.
October 1st.
Okay. Hear that, folks? October 1st. If you were into farm equipment, farm tractors, old antique farm tractors, farm equipment, next fall, right? What did she say?
Yeah, October 1st.
October 1st. Route 155 South in the Allegheny Mountains. This kid's got a cool. Have fun with that, huh? But they are wrapping up. Usually, like she said, though, this place is jumping. I mean, there's people all over, and they got the equipment running, and pretty cool stuff. Look at this. It's a saw, and it still works. No way. That is cool, man. And that's the belt. That's the belt that turns the saw. It's steam too. And you know what? This will work for the next 200 years. Whereas you buy a DeWalt Sawzall, it breaks in 10 minutes.
That's got a car battery.
Yeah. This is on like stilts. Oh, what? This is a saw too. The size of that blade, man.
I don't know if they're using the tractor to power it.
That's cool. How you doing, sir?
What is that?
Saw, correct? For the saw?
Saw? What kind of saw?
No clue. You tell us.
Well, I'm here to answer any questions. If you guys have any questions about what little you see that we have left going on here.
Oh, okay.
That's a shingle mill.
Okay.
You know what a shingle is?
Roof.
You don't. Well, it could be a roof or siding, but here's a shingle right here, a wooden shingle.
Ah, wow. Huh. That is cool.
And what you did years ago, you utilized every bit of the tree.
Huh.
And what we have here is blocks of wood with the front with that one involved. You cut a block of wood. A lot of times what they do is the tree, well, originally they cut the trees down around here. They did it for the bark because leather was a big thing. That was we didn't have plastics. So leather was the plastic.
Okay.
And so for belting and things like that,
Very cool.
they come in and cut the hemlock trees down, took the bark off, canned the hides, and the wood was left over.
Okay. Very cool.
So you use it for buildings and whatnot, or you ship it off away.
Right, right.
So out of this though too, when you cut a tree down, people years ago used every bit of anything they could. This would be like the top logs of the tree, or the top parts. And if you look at the size of them, the pine tree has different knots at different spots.
Okay.
So I believe that they would cut it roughly between the knots. And then also the knots would be a good burning material because they burn longer.
Oh,
wow. Just clean wood between the knots. Or you could use rest of the tree as a smaller tree. They cut it into billets. And this machine is built, well,
huh.
Oh, what's the date on this? It's like 1885. Wow. And what happened, typically the shingle mills were all horizontal with the blade laying flat.
Is that why
you
that's...
clamp and you push it back and forth. So you're doing all this work. And so any of the stuff we have here, if you look at it, it's all about making things easier.
Yeah.
This particular machine is built on an incline.
Okay.
And this is a self-feed machine. Once you put the block of wood in here, pull this handle back. It's run by belt power, which would be leather at the time.
Yeah, yeah.
Belt power powers that blade.
Okay.
A straight line gear and another gear you see on top.
Okay.
There's a spring mechanism on this side here. Then underneath what you don't see, there's a little bar right here. Right in here, there's a finger underneath, and there's this wood spacer here.
Okay.
So there's a finger in there. When this comes down, this board moves over, engages into that gear. That gear then walks this whole thing up. It goes up slowly, and it cuts this board so your hands are away from it.
That is too cool, man.
Shingle drops out underneath here.
Oh, wow.
Slides away. And there's also neat mechanical stuff on it. There's a piece right here. There's a floor
Right, right.
that moves back and forth.
Okay. Oh, wow.
And what happens every time this comes down, there's this little dog on the side.
Yeah.
As it goes up, it folds up and goes over this little gear on the side. When it comes down, it catches this piece right here.
Okay. Oh, wow.
And
Check
moves
that
the
out.
floor. But also,
that's
when
neat.
this comes down, if you watch this piece here, I would push it up as much as I can. You watch this come in,
Yeah.
that board laser, this goes ahead, that clamps it over. That's what holds the log in, the piece, the wooden piece.
There's a lot of ingenuity and engineering that
Right.
went into this thing, isn't
And as
it?
it goes up, it gets to a certain point, and it up top of that dog, it releases.
And it does it all on its
And
own.
it falls down on its own. Matter of fact, you gonna fire it up now or what? Yeah. We'll give you a live demonstration.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Huh. And you're using the tractor, huh?
Well, we're using a tractor because,
Yeah. It runs the belt.
well, this particular tractor never would have been used on it.
Right, right, right.
It'd been operated by a steam engine if it was run by a tractor.
I knew it was a
It'd be
steam. Okay. All right.
Or it would be in a factory.
Okay.
It would be run off a line shaft or whatever. You could have a different power in it.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So, and some of these shingle mills would have several
Uh-huh.
mills or several of these in it. So you'd have a whole bunch of people. Then
Wow.
I have another thing to package the boards up with.
Huh. That's cool, man.
So where are you guys from?
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia?
Yeah, we're visiting family.
Okay, well that's good, but I'm sorry that
Yeah.
you're telling to the show. I'm glad you
Yeah, yeah.
seeing something.
Yeah, that's cool. Thank you for that.
And there's other shows around the country.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know, if you want to see something. Especially
Yeah.
in Philadelphia. I know there's a nice one. There's a couple in Maryland.
Yeah.
Nice shows to go to.
Yeah, very cool.
But I apologize. Our show goes through Sunday.
Yeah, yeah.
The way these shows work, we have a lot of people come in and display things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And if you turn around and if we turn on, I said yesterday was the last day of the show. This is what it would look like on Saturday.
Yeah, clean up. Okay.
So we keep our show up to Sunday, and people like you come in and say, "Oh, there's not a whole lot here."
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's because
Yeah, we did. His grandfather told us today. He should have told us yesterday because we were up here all day yesterday.
Yeah.
We had nothing to do all day yesterday. We were just sitting around doing nothing. Yeah.
Because we had dinners there. We had more people displaying. We had a guy
Yeah.
here making rope you can participate in. And like I said, these guys are all packing their stuff up to go home. So they're going to work tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah.
And then a lot of these guys, a lot of these people go to a circuit. As far
Yeah.
as next weekend, remember you show somewhere else 100 miles from here.
Oh, okay.
Tired to go hang out, and there's a certain group that just
Yeah.
depends on your area.
Cool.
Like down your area, another one that we're close to is how far is Red Line away from Philadelphia?
That might be up around Warminster, not that far.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got another guy here. We'll demonstrate this, and I've got a book I'll show you,
Okay.
and maybe a way to find out other shows. There's shows in your area you might not know about.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, it'd be cool. Want to see this thing work? Be cool, right? No way. And the tractor's actually doing that. Oh, wow. That is so cool. Oh, wow, he's going to run it. Oh, this is awesome. That's cool, man. That's neat. His grandfather actually has an online paper up here called Solomon's Words for the Wise. A lot of folks know so he should have known yesterday to tell us. I mean, we came up Friday night. We came up, so well, I know what it is.
We'll try to get a couple shingles cut off here, and then maybe we'll go over and start United up, and then. I don't know if you just got here and heard the big engines over there running around.
Yeah, yeah.
All that, I think they were using the oil field.
Oh, wow.
To pull oil out of the ground.
Yeah, that's
The one
cool.
up there was used to actually drill.
Very
It
cool.
was a power plant. For
Yeah.
drilling oil.
Very cool.
And then there's a bunch of stuff.
This stuff works better than the stuff they have today.
Yeah.
The stuff they have today is junk.
Wow. Yeah.
This stuff is made to last forever.
If you keep up with it.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
it was built because it was engineered.
Yeah.
They want everything to stay together.
Yeah. Actually, I'm going to do with this video is I'm going to cut it up, I'm going to put it on TikTok.
Okay.
So it's going to go all over the place, and hopefully it'll draw. And this stuff is dying stuff, man.
Absolutely.
It's sad.
It's like this young gentleman right here.
Yeah, he loves tractors. He's a tractor man. He loves
Oh,
tractors.
so you live on a farm?
No.
That's the thing is,
Yeah, right.
some people they live on a
Yeah.
do that.
Yeah, he would love to be able to actually get on a farm and try it. But I don't know if you got the work ethic for that one. Is that some work?
Well, and that's the thing is,
Yeah.
once you're trained growing up,
Yeah.
it's like training a dog.
Yeah. Yeah. He's got to kick it up to full idle to get the saw blade to turn. That's why you want to go over here. See the blade spinning? Watch. Oh wow. There's the shingle. That is so cool, man. Look at that, dude. And that machine will work for the next 200 years, man. He said 1885, right? That is cool, dude. That is amazing. That is so amazing, dude. That is so crazy, right? Look at that. Want to take a shingle for a souvenir?
They make different mills too.
Yeah.
What happens? You'd have this, and if you get this,
Yeah.
they have a special tool, a shingle hammer.
Yeah.
And you turn on, you just straighten this edge up,
Yeah.
and you butt them together.
Okay. Or overlap.
No, you butt them together like this.
Okay.
And what we do is your next course of shingles. Well, you go through and put a row like this, then you put another row exactly the same over the top of it.
Yeah.
Then your subsequent courses,
Okay.
you cover that crack, so the water come down, and that's what happened on that first row. You have one underneath that.
Yeah.
So
So that's how they did it.
there you go.
Hey, that's how they did it back in the old days. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Very cool. Mom's got one of those irons that she can actually put names on it. That's cool. You got some roof shingles, bro. Very cool. Nice of these guys to do this.
Yeah.
They're going to run the United. Now, I said they're getting ready to wrap it up, but he said he'll run this one. This is steam, I think. Where else are you going to get roofing shingles from 1885? Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Out in Indian. That's a nice bike. Oh, here we go. He knows what he's doing. And this runs on steam?
This is gasoline.
Gas? Oh, wow. Okay. How old is this?
Oh, 20s, 30s.
Pretty smart back in the old days. What is it called?
This is a hit miss engine.
Okay, hit miss. I see why. That's cool. Look at that, dude. That's what the old cars sounded like, right? That is cool. Oh, it's a saw. That is neat, dude. That is neat. And that's what the old car sounded like. Oh, look, whoa, look at this
Sounds
lock.
better
Look.
than your Chevy.
The size of this log he's got.
It sounds better than your Chevy, Dad.
Oh, you're funny. Oh, this is neat. Why do you see this? The size of that log. And they invented this stuff in the 1800s. Wow, look at this. Oh, I gotta wait to see how this thing works. How does this thing go into? Oh, he's got a lever there. Okay, to get the blade down. Here we go. Ready? This is cool. How does that do? Lock it in?
Yeah.
Oh, it's locked in now. I ain't going nowhere. They gonna put the blade down. Look at this. No way. Ha! Now we know where DeWalt got their idea, right? That is so cool. Definitely not too portable. That is something, ain't that? Look at that, dude.
Yeah.
It takes forever for us to do that.
We need this thing.
This took a lot of brains to come up with this contraption. Look at that. It is going right through it. That is so cool. This kind of equipment will last for the next 200 years. Uh-oh.
The hit and miss is down.
Yeah, the hit and miss is missing. He knows his equipment. That is so freaking cool, dude.
What is this? Is this what it was like starting your Model A back in 1920?
Yeah.
I thought it was hard.
Well, this is
starting my
30s
old
and
go-kart.
40s, he said. Look, he knows everything about that engine, man. Oh, fuel. She's running low on gasoline. That's so cool, dude. This is very nice of them to do this. They're getting ready to go home and they stop to do this for us. That's awesome.
You want to build a house?
That is really cool, dude. That's roofing shingle. That is so amazing. A church service must be over. Why everybody's running around. Oh, yeah, look, they're heading out.
After this, we'll go.
Yeah. You get out of their way, let them do what they need to do. This was really awesome. They did this for us, though. They didn't have to do this. That's how you start it. Look, like when you wind the front of a Model A, that's what he's doing to get it going. Get your hands out of the way; they'll rip your arm off once that thing catches.
Or something like popping the clutch.
Yeah, exactly. Now she's hauling. She's running about 40 miles an hour right now. That's taking. Oh, look at that kid's tractor on there. That's cool. He's got it cranked up now. That's so cool. There it goes. That is so awesome. Now, is it weighted? It knows to go down on its own?
Running by hand.
Oh, okay. So you just keep bringing the blade down more and more as you go. Okay. That just puts all the labor for you. Yeah. That is so cool, man. That is neat. I love the engine that's running it, though.
We should put one of those in the Chevy.
Looking down the street with our saw. That engine's flying now. How long does it take usually to get through it? About 5 minutes? Yeah. It beats out of doing it yourself. And what year was this machine? The 30s?
This one here, this is late 1800s.
Oh, okay. Wow. And I noticed they got it on a sled so the horses could pull it wherever.
Yeah.
Huh. That is neat. Very cool. I don't think you're taking that souvenir home though. That's gonna be a couple $100.
Yeah.
I think your roof shingle could be good.
Yeah.
Maybe you could make a design on one for Bob's. That's neat, man. 1800 this was built. That's awesome. Almost there. We're past the halfway. That is so cool, dude. Who are you calling? Is Bristol coming over today? No? Tomorrow maybe? Yeah. I just can't believe I knocked the sign down with my head. You can believe it, can't you? Yeah, I'm playing. 30 minutes we've been making a tape. If I break it up into TikTok 3-minute intervals, it'll be like a 9-hour
Put it on
tape.
YouTube and TikTok.
Yeah, well, I'm going to put the whole thing on TikTok for my ad for my channel. Look at it go. And they honestly, they didn't have to do this because they got to get cleaned up and go home. So it was really nice of them to do it.
We're almost there.
Yeah.
I wonder what the safety equipment is.
Should have timed it, right? Now, does that keep it from binding, what you're doing there? Yeah. Yeah. I can't believe it. It's almost through. That's awesome. Look at the teeth on that thing, too.
Would you rather have your Zawzaw or this?
This. Makes lots of noise, too. Would piss the neighbors off big time. Right? That's the object, right? Did I say that out loud on the video? Oops. Sorry, neighbors. It's true, though. I like making noise. So enjoy the video. So this would be an 18th century chainsaw. Would this be considered an 18th century chainsaw?
Drag saw is what it is.
A drag saw, okay. Wow. That's cool. Very, very cool. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. That's awesome. Well, there you go. There's an 18th century drag saw. And that'll... You just drop it and it'll pop off, right? Yeah. Oh, look. Even that's got wheels on to move it. Oh, wow, look. There it goes. And now he just knocked the end off. Oh, wow. Huh. Very cool.
It goes vroom vroom and then vroom vroom poof poof.
Look at that.
Ready? Vroom vroom poof poof. Vroom vroom.
Oh, wow. Look, it even turns the log.
Wow.
Oh, wow. I didn't know it did that, too. That is so cool, dude. Huh. That's neat. All right. Here, hold my soda. I want to say thank you. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a good day. One more look.
There's a piston in there, man. The piston.
Yeah. She's hauling, man.
Got more horsepower than your Chevy, I think.
Hey, don't say that. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. You have a great day.
Yeah.
Take care.
You're here for a while yet, aren't you?
Well, I'm heading home. I'm leaving them up here.
Oh, I didn't know if you were going to stay here for another half hour, an hour when you're going.
Why? What you got?
Well, I didn't know if you look around
Yeah.
if you have any questions about anything.
Okay, I'll come
I'm
find you.
just saying, come find me if you have any questions.
All right,
I'll
cool.
answer any questions you got.
All right, appreciate that.
And, I'm going to go get a burger. Let me show you one thing.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll put it on the video.
find stuff that looks like you found it, you had a contact you didn't know.
Yeah.
I'm always looking for information anyways on different things.
Right.
But this so-called sport is not just rare.
Okay. And what is it called, the sport?
Well, it's just collecting antique stuff. There's antique engines and
okay.
farm equipment. And in this book there,
Okay.
this Farm Collector Show Directory 2022,
Oh, okay.
it has all the shows that want to get advertised
Okay.
in the United States and Canada. They have it listed in
Oh,
certain
wow.
ways. That's the shows that would be in Florida, and then they
Oh,
put it down
okay. Oh, wow.
chronologically.
So you can actually buy this book in the stores.
You used to be able to buy it Tractor Supply, but
Okay.
periodical stuff getting costly, and these books are worth about $10 or more a piece.
Okay.
We get them for like $10 a piece.
So where can somebody get them if somebody wanted to grab one of these? Where would be a good place to go? Online? Could you go online maybe?
Right here. Maybe you can find out Farm Show Collectors Directory.
Okay. Oh, okay. All
I
right.
don't do anything electronic. I'm old. This is my skill.
Yeah, 1885.
Yeah.
The
Wow.
best way, the good way. You get the job done. These things you get today.
Those are all the shows in Ohio. There's certain states that have more shows than elsewhere.
So you guys travel all over.
Well, we don't travel. I mean, I'm local, but I have went to a lot of the shows.
Okay.
Now here, you said you're from Philadelphia. Here's all the shows within your area
Oh, wow.
that you guys could attend.
Okay.
Right now, you're at this one here.
Okay.
This is
Well,
our
we're
show.
way up. Okay. Yeah, we're over by 29, 20, 22, 59, over
Right.
that way. So
And-
53 don't look too bad. 11 don't look too bad.
Right.
47, 33.
Well,
That might be out by Reading. They actually
Yeah.
think they have a show around us at the place called The Grange, which is in
Probably.
Middletown, Pennsylvania. They do it once a year.
that might be Grange or Grange Fair. It may not be. If they don't
Ah,
advertise
okay.
this directory,
Okay.
you won't know about it.
Yeah,
It's like
right.
county fairs. This has nothing to do with county fairs.
I got you. Okay.
This is a small. Ours is a small show.
Yeah.
They're much bigger. Over here, in National Park's the digging show. These guys collect antique digging equipment.
Really? Steam shovels and all
Steam
that kind of
shovels,
stuff?
utes.
Wow.
And
That's got to be an awesome sight.
And the best part is, it's like here was your.
How do you move that stuff?
Well, someone stays right there.
Yeah.
But we've had guys from here pack
Yeah.
their equipment and drive it down there to display.
That's some
And actually, we
moving.
had a guy come in the other day yesterday with a track machine and a pan. And he was over there playing in the yard. We had another young man who
Wow.
never been here before, brought a dozer in. But you go to
Yeah.
National Pike,
Yeah.
and it's supposed to be one of the biggest, or as a real big show, biggest
Uh-huh.
one east of Mississippi, I believe.
Okay.
You can go in there and walk, and there's steam shovels going, and there's women with baby carriages walking right here.
Oh, that's awesome.
There's machines going, and there's no
So-
animosity. Nobody hollering, get out of here. That I
Yeah.
passed anyways.
Yeah.
And it's safe. These guys are operating stuff safely,
Yeah.
and it's just really cool.
It's the way the things were done in the old days.
Well, not necessarily. But it's different shows are different. Over
Yeah.
here, down here in Harrisburg area,
Yeah.
there's some different shows. They're different sizes.
Okay.
Some are agricultural based only.
Yeah.
We touch on oil, wood,
Very cool.
light agriculture here. As you see up here, there's small farms.
It's our history.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so-
This nation's history, no doubt. Yeah.
So
Very
yeah,
cool. Thanks for sharing that.
checking that. Like local shows.
Yeah. Because he
another one.
likes he's into this older stuff. So.
Well, here's another one too for you. Wow. Let's see.
He's making shingles.
All right, here's Maryland. That's Massachusetts. Here's Maryland shows.
Okay. Yeah, Maryland's not bad. It's about 2 hours.
Right there. There's the shows in the Maryland area.
Okay. Yeah, Maryland's
There's
not
a couple
bad.
down here. There's Tuck Engine. I've
Okay.
been to that show, but it's been years ago.
Yeah.
Recommend that.
Okay.
I'm assuming that you're going to be impressed with anywhere you go.
Yeah,
If you're
yeah.
impressed with this,
Oh, yeah,
we're on
yeah,
the
yeah.
small side.
Yeah, this
We're
is
on the
neat.
real-
Oh,
we're on
yeah,
the small
yeah.
side. But a lot of people come here because it's quiet. It's
Yeah.
not busy. You don't have a lot of people coming in.
Yeah, yeah. Because you're in a rural area.
Yeah, so.
That's cool. Well, thanks again, my man. Hey, thank you.
And over there's some rope stuff. We have
Yeah, yeah.
this right about the engine.
Yeah,
That's different things for rope that was used throughout.
yeah. Okay.
And they're going to have any questions.
Okay, we'll come find you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Appreciate it. Let's go, let's go. Look at that. Have a good old time.
Oh, that's That's a cool dozer or whatever it is.
Where?
Up there to the left.
Oh yeah, it's a shovel. The Ford? Oh, you wanna go look? Let's go look.
You don't have to, but.
Yeah, we can take a little sweet. I'm 35 minutes in on the video. We can go back home now.
Mom's car's not towed yet.
Thank God. We'd be dead meat. Look, that's how they fertilize stuff, huh?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, so me and my man Luke are going to wrap it up, and he just wanted to come over and check out this shovel. This is looks to be an old steam engine shovel. That was very nice of that gentleman to do that for us. That was cool. That's an old-fashioned steamroller. As I said, some of this equipment weighs thousands of pounds, and I'm shocked that they... This is permanent, though. Looks like this just stays here. Do you realize the complexity of this thing, though? Dude, that's cool, ain't it? That is sharp. But can you imagine figuring out the cable system and the gears? Talk about a bicycle chain. There's one on each side. Wow. Where does the guy sit? He sits here.
Oh, wow.
And there's the gauges. There's the foot pedals. Yeah, that's got to be uncomfortable. Imagine sitting on that 8 hours a day. We sit here, cry, and complain when we're sitting on lazy boy recliners. These guys worked in the heat, the hot, the sun for 10 hours a day, sitting on a steel chair. Woo, that's got to be uncomfortable. Oh, look, it is steam. It's crank. There's your crank. All right, wrap us up.
What?
I don't know. End our video. All right, jump on this and take you for a ride to the park. That'd really upset them. Look, it looks like they were giving rides on this. Drive us home, son.
Sure, why not?
Well, there you have it, folks. The Allegheny Allegheny Mountain Engine and Implement Association Annual Show, July 22nd, 24th, Route 155 South up in the Allegheny Mountains. This place is actually a permanent spot. You see the sign there that I knocked the number 2 off with my skull. But this place is here all the time. So all these stationary pieces of equipment are always here. So any of you old-fashioned farmers out there into farm equipment, this is where you want to visit, right here. It's because a lot of these things are permanent. He's dying over the fact that I walked into the sign. You know, the moral of the story is when you're videotaping with your cell phone, keep an eye on where you're walking, because that sign hurt. And the metal number 2 hit me right in the head.
You walked into a log.
Who did that?
You?
I did?
Yeah, you walked right
Well, I'm on camera. Don't tell the world. Shh. So here you have it, folks. Cool place, cool show, and we're finished.